If you just joined us here from the future at Tomorrowland Station, welcome aboard the Excursion train. We're on the last leg of our Grand Circle trip back to Main Street. Coming up next is the Grand Canyon and the Primeval World, two of the largest dioramas you'll ever see. If you take pictures inside, please make sure there is no flash or video lighting and no light of toys. Always remain seated and please supervise your children.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. Returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Alright, this is Main Street, USA, completing our Grand Circle tour. If you're exiting here, please make sure you stay seated till the train is fully stopped. If you're going on with us and you haven't heard yet, the next station, New Orleans Square, is closed to guests exiting or entering due to construction at the Haunted Mansion. Also remember, there is no ramp at this station. There are just 12 steps at the front or back gate to get you down to the sidewalk level.